Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to First Commerce Accountancy online classes. Dear students, now we are in the concept of subsidiary books, right? So we are studying how to prepare subsidiary books and almost we covered all the concepts. Only few concepts are left in this chapter, that is we know the concept of GST, goods and services tax, correct, right? So one illustration we need to understand how to prepare purchase book. In the beginning of this class, in the beginning of this chapter, I told that GST and other expenses which relates to transportation or packing charges will be added to the concerned purchases or sales, except discount only deducted from the concerned transaction, concerned amount. Rest GST and even installation charges or transportation charges are added to the concerned amount, correct, right? So let's see how to prepare purchase book and even purchase returns book by adding GST. Is there any changes or is there any other calculation is there? Let's see. See the question first. The question is like this: prepare purchase book and purchase returns book of Mr. Krishna, Delhi, from the following transaction. See, when a dealer transacts within the state, within the boundaries of state, then GST and CGST only applicable, correct, right? If the transaction is outside the boundary of country or state, then IGST will be applicable, correct, right? You know this. So here Mr. Krishna, we need to prepare purchase book and purchase return book in the books of Mr. Krishna. He is from Delhi. So if he purchased or if he traded any goods within state, then we have to calculate two GST. One is GST, CGST and SGST. If he traded with other state, then IGST will be applicable. So the first transaction is like this: purchased from Ms. Ramakant, Delhi. Okay, Ramakant from Delhi. So here GST applicable, whether CGST or IGST will be applicable here. The Krishna from Delhi, he purchased goods from Ramakant and he is also from Delhi. So only two GST will be applicable here, that is what, CGST and SGST. So he purchased 20 television at rupees 15,000 each and 5 DVD players at rupees 10,000 each, trade discount at 10%. And so here there is no information about CGST or GST and all. Let's see the next transaction. Television, how we can find out this illustration is relates to GST calculation? Let's see. So the second one, two television returned to Ms. Ramakant because of damage or defective found in that. So he returned that television to the seller. So it comes under yes, purchase return. And see the next transaction, bought from Samay Electronics, Haryana. So Haryana, it is another state, correct, right? So invoice number also given. Washing machine at rupees 5,000 each and 5 television at rupees 25 each, and also trade discount is allowed in that case. And the next transaction is rate of GST applicable in above purchases are CGST 9%, SGST 9%, IGST 18%. So this question relates to the calculation of GST. In this type of question, we need to calculate discount and means we need to deduct discount and also we need to add this GST based on the purchases. Say for example, if you purchase within the state, then to calculation at agreed rate or at a given rate, and if interstate transaction, then you have to calculate IGST for that transaction. Clear now? Okay. So this is relates to what? GST calculation, subsidiary books with the GST calculation. So some a little difference is there, a very simple difference in the format also. So let's see the format of the format is like this. Please draw the columns. Before that, write heading, solution. In the books of Krishna Traders, correct, right? Yeah, Mr. Krishna. In the books of Mr. Krishna, purchases book. Purchases book. Okay. So the next line, and first one for date, invoices, name of supplier here, and details, a small column for LF. Next one, details, that is what about amount column. Okay, and here total in rupees, total in rupees, total purchases, and the next three column for CGST, SGST and IGST. CGST, SGST and IGST. Clear? So first one, date, invoice number, and the next one for LF, and this one for details, and this one for total in rupees. Next one to record total purchases amount, here CGST, SGST, IGST. Clear? This is a format to prepare subsidiary book with the GST calculation. Okay, so the next step is same. First we have to write date 2017 August 5, and here invoice number is given. See the transactions, see the transaction, purchased from Ramakant, Delhi, invoice number 6780. Correct, right? If invoice number is not given in the illustration, what we have to do? Which number we have to give? Yes, we have to give serial numbers. Here invoice number is given 6780, and purchase, who is supplier here? Purchased from Ramakant. So we have to write Ramakant name. Ramakant. Okay. What are the items we purchased? First one is 20 televisions. Correct, right? 20 televisions at the rate 15,000 each. 20 televisions at rupees 15,000 each. And next one is what? 5 DVD players. 5 DVD players at rupees what? At rupees 10,000. So calculate 20 into 15,000. That amount you should write in this column, details column. 20,000 into 15,000. Next 5 into 10,000, 50,000. What is the total amount? 3,50,000. Correct, right? 3,50,000. And what is the next step? After totaling, here total discount is also given, so we need to calculate discount for this amount. So less trade discount, less trade discount at 10%. So 3,50,000 into 10 by 100, 35,000. Correct, right? 35,000. So what is the amount now? 3,15,000. Correct, right? 3,50,000 minus 35,000, 3,15,000. Next we have to add GST here. This transaction is within the state. This transaction is within the state, so we have to calculate two GST. One is CGST and one is SGST. So here itself add GST, add CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. So close this transaction after recording the amount. So here 3,15,000 into 9 by 100, 28,350. Correct, right? So we have to calculate GST after deducting discount. So actual amount 3,50,000, but they give discount at rupees 10% at 10%. So 35,000 deducted. So total 3,15,000. For this amount we have to calculate 9% GST. Both the cases GST. So okay. So 3,15,000 into 9 by 100, 28,350. Again 3 lakh, that is what that revenue goes to central government, and SGST is a revenue to the state government. So 28,350 and again 28,350. So this is a calculation of GST. And now you, how much you paid for the purchase? 3,15,000 plus 28,350. 3,15,000 plus 28,350, again 28,350. So you total amount 3,71,700. Correct, right? To purchase these two items, you have to pay 3,71,700. Your total purchase, your total purchase how much? 3,15,000. This is extra charge. This is a tax you paid for your purchase. This is a tax which is levied on this total purchase. Actual purchase is through 3,15,000, and after adding GST you have to pay, means to Ramakant, that purchaser had to pay 3,71,700. Clear, right? Clear, right? So 3,15,000 is a total purchase. After adding this GST, the total value of purchases is rupees 3,71,700 and CGST 28,350 and SGST also 28,350. Like this you have to record. There is no IGST. Clear now? Clear now. So from Ramakant you purchased, means customer purchased 20 television at rupees 15, 5 DVD at rupees 10,000. The total value is rupees 3,50,000 and the total amount of two purchases is rupees 3,50,000. And afterwards you have to deduct a discount at rupees 10%, yes, at 10%, comes the value 35,000. You have to deduct. You know, always discount will be deducted. So 3,50,000 minus 35,000. The total purchase value is rupees 3,15,000. For that you have to add GST. Suppose intrastate transaction, then you have to calculate to GST. Interstate, then you have to calculate one particular IGST. There is no calculation of CGST and SGST. No need to write the amount in this column. Only this column you have to write the amount like that. Clear now? Clear. Okay. So this is about first transaction. See the next one. Ramakant returned. Correct, right? No. Television returned to Ramakant. Television returned to Ramakant. So that will comes under purchases returns. See the next transaction. Bought from Miss Sama Electronics. So they purchased from Sama Electronics. Write the amount, write name Sama Electronics. Transaction dated on August 20 and invoice number 1011. 10 washing machines at rupees 5,000. First one 10 washing machine at rupees 5,000 and 5 television at rupees 25,000 each. So 50,000. 1 lakh. Details will be recorded in the details column. 50,000 and 25 into 5, 1,25,000. So total 1,75,000. Correct, right? 1,75,000. Then what is the percentage of discount? 10%. What 5% trade discount, correct, right? Not 10%. So less trade discount. At 5%. So 1,75,000 into 500. 8,750. 8,750. So 1,66,250. 1,66,250 is the final amount. So for this we have to add GST. Add GST. Here purchased from Haryana. So it is outside the boundaries of the state. So IGST will be applicable here. So IGST at what percent? At 15%, 18%, not 9% and 9%. Total this IGST combine both CGST and SGST. So 18%. So you have to calculate 1,66,250 into 18 by 100. It's 29,925. Clear? $29,925 is the IGST amount. Now what is the total amount? 1,66,250 plus 29,925, 1,96,175 is the total amount. To purchase these two items, customer had to pay 1,96,175. Then what is the total purchase value? 1,66,250. It is the additional charges which is levied on your purchase, but actual purchase value 1,66,250 Then there is no CGST and SGST, only IGST 29,925, which is already we calculated, correct, right? 29,925. Then the last step is totaling. Okay, so only the total value of purchase and the total column and total of this purchase column you have to calculate, means totaling. So here only 28,350 and here also 28,350, here 29,925. Here we have to add 3,15,000 plus 1,66,250, 4,81,250, and here 3,71,700 plus 1,96,175, 5,67,875. This is the total value. So total amount 5,67,875. The total purchase value 4,81,250 and total GST paid, CGST paid 28,350, SGST paid 28,350 and IGST paid 29,925. This is how we can prepare CGST or SGST or IGST illustration in the subsidiary books. So again we have to prepare, here we have to prepare what? Just we completed purchase book, now we have to prepare purchase returns book, correct, right? So prepare purchase returns column, the same column but debit, instead of invoice number we have to write debit note number, name of supplier, LF, details, purchases, CGST, SGST and IGST. Purchases, returns, book, date, debit note number, name of supplier, LF, details, purchases, CGST, SGST and IGST. Okay. So only one item returned to Ramakant. Just write 2017 on August 5, invoice number 311, debit note number 311, Ramakant, Delhi. Okay. So 2 TV sets, right? 2 into 15,000. Details in detail column 30,000. Next we have to discount or calculate discount here. Less trade discount at 10%, correct, right? So 30,000 into 10 by 100, so 3,000, 27,000. Next we have to add again GST, CGST, SGST at 9% each. Okay, and calculate 27,000 into 9 by 100, 2,430. 2,430 and 2,430. Now write the total amount. Here one column I skipped. Total column is required here. I will erase this and again details, total purchases. Please don't be confused. See the previous columns for better understanding. 3 columns to calculate GST. Yes, here details, correct, right? Details, and the next one to write total value, and next one to write purchases, and the next column for CGST, SGST and IGST. This is the right one. Clear? Don't be confused, please. So here 30,000 in this column and 3,000 in this column. So total 27,000. So 27,000 into 9 amount to 2,430 each. 2,430 and 2,430. So now write the total amount. 27,000 plus 2,430 plus 2,430. 31,860. Correct, right? 31,860. So 31,860. And the next one, total purchase, how much? We purchased goods, means we returned 27,000. Here purchase returns. Instead of purchase returns. 27,000 worth value are returned. So 2,430 CGST, 2,430 SGST. No IGST when returned, because goods returned to Ramakant, which is interstate movement. So now total it. Last step, totaling. Correct, right? So total 31,860 and 27,000 and 2,430 and 2,430. This is a total. So this is how we can prepare what purchase returns book. Only one item returned, so there is no more calculations and all. One item, name of supplier, trade discount will be deducted. We have to add CGST and SGST to the concerned amount. Here date, debit note number, not invoice number, name of supplier, details, total, purchase return column, CGST, SGST and IGST. So this is how we can prepare what purchase book and purchase return book. Same in case of sales also. I hope you understood how to prepare purchase book with the GST calculation. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.